Hi everyone, today, let's crochet a super cute beach bag together. Chain 28. Turn and crochet 26 single crochets starting from the second stitch. Three single crochets in one stitch. Five single crochets and one increase stitch in the opposite direction. Slip stitch into the first stitch to finish the round. Chain 1 to start the next round. For round 2, cut the green yarn and switch to purple yarn. You can choose any yarn color you like. First, 1 single crochet. To half double crochets. Two double crochets. Three treble crochets. Two double crochets to half double crochets and to single crochets to finish the row. Slip stitch to finish the row and cut the yarn. We'll change yarn color for each row. Switch to green yarn, pull through and chain 1 to start the next row. 56 single crochets in back loops only. Keep changing yarn colors and follow the pattern. Row 5 is the same as row 3. Row 6, start with 1 single crochet. Then chain 12. Skip 12 stitches and make 1 single crochet into the 13th stitch. Crochet the remaining stitches according to the pattern of row 2. Change yarn color to crochet the fish. Pull the yarn through the first stitch of the 12 skipped stitches. First, Make 3 slip stitches. Slip stitch into the stitch where you just chained, then make 3 more slip stitches, and slip stitch once more into the same stitch. Make 1 single crochet into the next stitch, then continue crocheting according to the pattern. Use black yarn to sew the eyes. Repeat the previous rows in the same way for the following rows, and stop when you reach the desired height of the bag. I finished the bag part. Now I'm finishing off with a row of single crochets on top. The fish space sections are symmetrical. You just need to change the position of the 12 slip stitches. Now let's crochet the bag handle. First, chain 3. UDC, yarn over the hook, pull through, then pull through the first 2 loops and stop. Make 1 more unfinished double crochets the same way. Finally, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops on the hook. That completes 1 link. Repeat the same steps until the strap reaches your desired length. Now join it to the bag opening with a slip stitch. We've finished making the storage bag. Let's take a look at the final result. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like Crochet Bliss.